Hey guys, it's Peyton here, campaign manager here at High Five Practice. And I want to talk to you quickly today about a service that we love here at High Five Practice, and that's Dental Intel. Dental Intel, if you don't know, is a really powerful tool that you can set up with your practice management system, and that just easily, quickly gives you a glance about the health of your practice. Whether that's production, treatment acceptance, collections, all of those things, Dental Intel tracks. And they have just a bunch of other features that can help during this time. Especially one I personally love is the patient finder system within Dental Intel. And they've actually built out pre-built filters within the patient finder to help you find those important patients, people that have broken appointments in the last few weeks, people that have restorative treatment proposed and waiting on the books for them. So they have like a lot of great filters that you can start using. You can export that list, give it to your team, and they can start calling this week, even. So they're offering all of these services, LocalMed and Dental Intel, for free for right now, for the foreseeable future. So now is the time to jump on this opportunity, and we want to encourage everybody to take advantage of these tools. If you need help, if you want to learn more, if you need help getting started with Dental Intel, we can help you out with that. So just give us a call at 615-656-8551. We hope to hear from you, and we can't wait to help you.